best thing I'd ever tasted. So I went to the cafeteria lady and I said, I need the recipe for it. Have you ever had a treat when you were, I guess we used to call it in Hawaii back in Hanabata days, which is basically when you were really young, when you're a snot-nosed kid. You know, basically when I was in second grade, I had one of those experiences. I went to my cafeteria in elementary school and they had this treat called peanut butter chews that I just thought were the best thing I'd ever tasted. So I went to the cafeteria lady and I said, I need the recipe for it. And she gave me the recipe. Now it was a recipe for how to make like 400 of them in a giant sheet pan, and I figured out over time how to reduce it, and I've made it a few times since then. It's still just as good, although I guess it has a little more magic to me because I got it back when I was 7 years old. But I'll show you how to make it now. It actually turns out it's really easy. It's peanut butter chews. You see recipes for peanut butter chews all over the internet with cornflakes. That's not what this is. This is a different kind of thing. Now, you start out with peanut butter, and if you're worried about the peanut butter sticking to your measuring cup when you measure it, just spray some nonstick spray in the cup before you put the peanut butter in it, and that way it'll slide right out when you're done measuring it. So the first thing you want to do is take 1 cup of peanut butter. Cup, and because you sprayed it, it slides right out. It's not stuck to your cup, and that makes that part easy. Now you want to add a cup of sugar. I'm guessing this is why I liked it so much as a kid. You want 4 teaspoons of cornstarch. Now you want between a half cup and a cup of rolled oats. That's oatmeal, Quaker oats, whatever you want to call it. The recipe called for rolled oats. Throw that in. And then finally, you want a half cup of evaporated milk. Okay, mix this up all together. Put the mixture into an 8x8 square pan, spread it out, and then you bake it for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. So these are going to be chewy when they're done. They're not like a cake. They're more like a brownie, I think I would say, but they're chewier than that. Remember, there's no egg, there's no flour. This has got chewy peanut butter, oats, sugar, milk. That's it. And it's really good. takes me back to the second grade. It's so good.